Waltzing gracefully up the Acushnet River, she smiles, glad to reach fair haven where she was new. In these 3 years and 46,000 miles, the spray accomplished all she set out to do. Tie her to the cedar spile on the riverside, the very mooring that launched her on the foam. Let her rise and fall with every running tide. He can bring her no nearer home. No taxes finance the voyage of the spring. No new continents out there to find. He was free to go off exploring anyway, the undiscovered places in his mind. Tie her to the cedar spile on the riverside, the very mooring that launched her on the foam. Let her rise and fall with every running tide. He can bring her no nearer home. Safe and secure, leave her in port, for her task is done. He'll recall every glittering star that shone, the moon and sun, the wind and waves, and everyone he met while sailing around this world alone. Tie her to the cedar spile in the riverside, the very mooring that launched her on the foam. Let her rise and fall with every running tide. He can bring her no nearer home. Waltzing gracefully up the Acushnet River, she smiles, glad to reach fair haven where she was new. In 3 long years and 46,000 miles, the spray accomplished all she set out to do.